welcome back. I'm Swati. Today I am in a village and you can see a pond right behind me. And today I'm going to talk about a very rare fruit, water chestnut, which is locally known as Singhada. I'll show you how is it grown. We'll talk about its health benefits also, and I'll show you how these guys are plucking them. It's grown in pond locally. So come along with me and I'll show you the entire process, how it's grown in pond, how to pluck them, and we'll also talk about its health benefits. Now let me show you how water chestnut or Singhada looks like. This is the dark red or magenta, or I can say black variety of Singhada or water chestnut. And when we talk about how to eat it, we usually boil it and then we take out take out the peel, and then inside you'll get heart-shaped fruit which is white in color, and you can eat it with some salt or some chutney. And the same thing, when it is ripened in the pond itself, they collect it, they dry it nicely, and they make powder out of it, and which is used in fast, which is called as Singhada ka atta. They make flour out of it. Now let me show you how it looks from inside. This is how you can peel it. This is raw Singhada or water chestnut. Usually when you boil it, the skin comes out very easily. The skin becomes very soft, so you can easily peel it, and from inside this is in heart shape. White color fruit in heart shape. And when we talk about its taste, it is neither salty nor sweet. So basically, if I say this is tasteless, but it becomes really tasty when you eat it with salt or chutney. And this is highly nutritious because it is grown in pond, so it is full of minerals, vitamins, protein and other nutrients, fiber and other things. Water chestnut comes in two colors. This one is in dark red or magenta, or I can say black color variety. Other one comes in green color. The green color one is usually eaten raw, and this one is used for boiling. It has some thorns also. The other variety has some thorns grown here. For harvesting, this is how they do it. They sit in a small boat, and the Singhadas or water chestnut, it floats on the surface of water, and I think you can clearly see how he is plucking, right? He'll check the size. The mature ones he will pluck easily, and the smaller ones he'll leave in water itself. So as and when it grows big, he'll pluck them later. They are in two colors, as I said earlier. There are two varieties. In fact, this one is the smaller variety, the other one grows comparatively bigger in size, and they have thorns also. The fruit inside is white in color, in heart shape, and this fruit is full of lots of minerals and vitamins, proteins, fiber and other things. As they grow in water, so they are rich source of minerals. Let me show you the plant from close up. This is the plant of water chestnut or Singhada. This is how its leaves look. And like water cabbage plant, its leaves float on the top of water or on the surface of water, if I say, and its roots get submerged into water in pond. This is how its leaves look like. And here we have a small fruit, water chestnut. They grow white color, small size flowers in bunch. From here it comes out, and as and when they dry up, they turn into fruit. that is all I know about this plant, this fruit. It has a lots many health benefits. If you haven't tasted it yet, if you find this fruit anywhere in the market, do try this, cook it and enjoy this. That's it for today. See you guys. Bye.